Hey friends, this video shares my easy recipe for chocolate silk pie. This chilled dessert is a chocolate lover's dream with a crunchy cookie crust, silky filling, and a gooey caramel sauce. The best part is this is a no-bake recipe. For the ingredients have a 9-inch chocolate cookie crust, caramels, whipping cream, silken tofu, semi-sweet chocolate chips, condensed milk, espresso, and vanilla extract. To keep this recipe super easy, I'm using a store-bought chocolate cookie crust. In a small heat-safe bowl, add the whipping cream and caramels. Place the bowl into the microwave and then heat on high for 45 seconds. The caramels should be mostly melted, so combine everything together. If some caramels are still unmelted, microwave on high for 10 to 15 more seconds. Pour the caramel sauce into the cookie crust. Use a spatula or spoon to spread the caramel sauce into the pie bottom. Transfer the silken tofu into a colander and let drain while continuing with the next steps. Place a heat-safe bowl over simmering water or use a double boiler. Transfer the semi-sweet chocolate chips into the bowl. Melt the chocolate chips into a smooth mixture. Stir occasionally to help break down the chips. This process takes 5 to 6 minutes. When the chocolate sauce is nice and smooth, remove from the heat. Transfer the tofu into a food processor or blender. Add the melted chocolate. Add the condensed milk, shot of espresso, and vanilla extract. Blend the mixture on high speed until smooth. If needed, scrape down the side of the bowl to work in all the ingredients. Pour the filling into the pie crust. Use a spatula to smooth out the top. Cover the pie with the lid. Transfer into the fridge. Chill the pie for at least 2 hours. Here's the scrumptious pie after it's chilled. This pie is so decadently sweet and super silky and luscious. Enjoy this delicious chocolate silk pie with fresh berries. If you're a fan of the caramel sauce, make extra and serve it as a topping. Whipped cream and fresh berries is also another great way to dress up this dessert. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.